The AI agent market is exploding. It's not just growing, it's experiencing a period of unprecedented expansion. We're witnessing a phenomenon that's reshaping industries and redefining the very nature of work. It's set to create a multi-trillion-dollar economy, a financial landscape so vast that it will dwarf existing markets, and create entirely new opportunities for wealth creation and economic growth. This isn't just about incremental gains. It's about a fundamental shift in how value is generated and distributed. By 2030, autonomous AI agents, these digital entities capable of independent action and decision-making, could generate more revenue than some countries' GDPs. Imagine the economic power concentrated in these intelligent systems, surpassing the output of entire nations. This is a testament to the transformative potential of AI and its ability to reshape the global economic order. This isn't just a tech trend, it's a seismic economic shift, a fundamental restructuring of the economic landscape that will have far-reaching consequences for businesses, individuals, and governments alike. Digital workers or AI agents are about to become as common as websites. They'll be an integral part of every business, large or small, performing tasks, automating processes, and driving efficiency in ways we can only begin to imagine. The barrier to entry is crumbling. The obstacles that once prevented individuals from participating in the AI revolution are rapidly disappearing, opening doors for anyone with a good idea. Innovation is no longer confined to large corporations or research institutions. It's now accessible to anyone with the vision and drive to create something new. Imagine a digital employee that works 24/7, tirelessly performing tasks and generating value around the clock, never takes a break, and earns you income while you sleep. This is the promise of AI agents, the ability to generate passive income and build wealth while you focus on other priorities. These agents are autonomous, operating independently and without constant human supervision. Capable of complex tasks, handling intricate processes and solving challenging problems with speed and efficiency. Customer interaction, providing personalized support and building stronger relationships with customers, and decision-making. They can analyze data, identify patterns, and make informed choices that drive better business outcomes. For entrepreneurs, this means scaling without hiring a big team. You can achieve exponential growth without the traditional constraints of human capital. The most surprising part? It's accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a tech expert or have a background in computer science to participate in this revolution. New platforms are democratizing AI, making it easier than ever for individuals and small businesses to harness the power of artificial intelligence. Putting powerful tools in the hands of everyday innovators. The focus is shifting away from complex coding and towards creative problem solving. The focus is shifting from coding, the traditional domain of software developers, to designing intelligent solutions for real-world problems. It's about identifying needs, developing innovative solutions, and leveraging AI to create a better future. The time to leverage this technology is now, before the market gets crowded. The window of opportunity is open, but it won't stay that way forever. The world of artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, bringing with it a new paradigm in how we approach work and productivity. So, what exactly is an AI agent, and how does it differ from the AI systems we've seen before? Think of it as a digital worker, a virtual employee, if you will, that you can create, customize, and instruct to perform specific tasks. These aren't just lines of code, they're intelligent entities designed to augment your capabilities. Unlike simple chatbots, which are often limited to pre-programmed responses and basic interactions, AI agents possess a higher level of cognitive function. They can reason, analyze complex situations, act autonomously, and achieve goals independently, adapting to changing circumstances as needed. Powered by sophisticated large language models, the same technology behind cutting-edge AI assistants, they seamlessly connect advanced language skills to real-world actions, bridging the gap between understanding and execution. They can send emails on your behalf, crafting personalized messages and managing your inbox, manage calendars with precision, scheduling meetings and appointments while optimizing for your availability, conduct in-depth research across vast databases, sifting through information to deliver actionable insights, and even write code, automating software development tasks, and accelerating innovation. The best part is that a new generation of free no-code tools lets anyone, regardless of their technical expertise, build a fully functional AI agent in a matter of minutes. No programming required. It's all about intuitive design and ease of use. All you need is just a clear idea of what you want your agent to do, the tasks you want it to accomplish, and the goals you want it to achieve. The platform handles all the complex technical details behind the scenes so you can focus on creativity, strategic planning, and defining the agent's purpose. You simply describe your agent's job, outlining its responsibilities and desired outcomes, personality, giving it a unique voice and style, and the tools it needs to get the job done. For example, you could create a social media agent that automatically drafts engaging posts from trending news articles, saving you hours of work. This unlocks the power of AI creation for entrepreneurs, marketers, and creators everywhere, empowering them to automate tasks, boost productivity, and achieve their goals faster than ever before. Until recently, building an AI agent was nearly impossible for most people to achieve. You needed deep technical expertise, machine learning, coding, and data science. The costs were sky high, from hiring talent to massive computing resources. Development took months or years, far too slow for fast-moving businesses. Even after building an AI, integrating it with existing systems was another huge hurdle. Cloud infrastructure, APIs, and user interfaces added even more complexity and cost. These barriers kept AI creation exclusive to tech giants and well-funded startups alone, but now those walls are coming down. Imagine a world where anyone, regardless of their technical background, can build and deploy their very own AI agent. A world where the power of artificial intelligence is truly democratized. No complex coding required, no hefty upfront costs. It's absolutely free. That's the incredible promise of today's free online AI creation tools, platforms designed to empower anyone to harness the potential of AI. With a remarkably simple visual interface, even those with no prior experience can jump right in. You simply describe your agent's purpose and desired functionality in plain, everyday English. No need to learn complicated programming languages. For example, you are a friendly and knowledgeable travel agent who specializes in finding eco-friendly vacation deals for environmentally conscious travelers. The tool then intelligently configures the underlying AI model almost instantly, effectively replacing what would normally be weeks or even months of painstaking programming and debugging. And you can easily add capabilities like web browsing, allowing your agent to gather information from across the internet, email integration, enabling it to send and receive messages, and even real-time data analysis, providing up-to-the-minute insights, all with a simple click of a button. You can then test and refine your agent in real time, getting immediate feedback on its performance and making adjustments as needed. Once you're satisfied, you can deploy it instantly to the world. Share it easily via a unique link, or seamlessly embed it directly on your website to engage with your visitors. In under an hour, you can launch a fully functional, potentially profitable AI agent, ready to serve your needs or your customers' needs. The entire process is designed to be conversational, intuitive, and remarkably accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. The age of instant AI creation is truly here, ushering in a new era of possibilities for individuals and businesses alike. Let's see this in action with a real success story. Sarah, a paralegal, saw small business owners struggling with legal documents. Using a free tool, she built LegalEase, an AI agent that guides users through creating contracts and NDAs. No coding needed. She just described the agent's role and connected it to legal templates. LegalEase asks users simple questions, fills in the blanks, and generates documents. Sarah launched it on a website, charging $20 per document. In 1 month, LegalEase generated 500+ documents and $10,000 in nearly passive income. The agent worked 24/7, helping entrepreneurs worldwide. One person, no tech skills, built a profitable, scalable business. Free, no-code AI tools are democratizing technology like never before. Now anyone, not just big corporations, can build custom AI solutions. This levels the playing field, letting great ideas succeed regardless of budget. Entrepreneurs can go from idea to launch in a single day, testing and iterating rapidly. The cost of failure is low, just your time and creativity. This encourages more people to try new ideas, fueling innovation. Niche, microservice agents are now possible, solving specific problems for targeted audiences. The technology handles the complexity, so you focus on business logic and user experience. You're not just building code, you're architecting intelligent systems. Success now depends on your ideas and understanding of your customers. We've explored the explosive growth and accessibility of AI agents. The power to build and profit from AI is now in your hands. The real question, what will you build? Think about your expertise. What problems can you solve or automate? Maybe a fitness coach agent, a budgeting assistant, or a story idea generator. Your unique knowledge is the key to a valuable agent. Start experimenting with the free tool. Test ideas, iterate, and see what you create. Share your journey and connect with other innovators. The future is being built today, one AI agent at a time. Now go build, the world is waiting for your innovation.